Means that there's a lot of bad thing happening to the world, like it's beside you, in front of you, but it will never come near you. What was the verse that like says, I have plans for you, plans to prosper you and to help you, but like that.
But to give you hope and
Jeremiah 29:11.
Jeremiah 29:11.
yeah, what was
I
your
have
favorite verse in the Psalm 91 1 to 16? What was your favorite verse?
my favorite verse in it is you will not fear the terror of night nor the arrow that flies by day. I like 5 and 6.
No, yeah, that's one, and the other one is also 10,000. What was it again?
1,000 may fall at your side, 10,000 at your right hand, but it will not come near you.
What does it mean?
It means that there's a lot of bad thing happening to the world, like it's beside you, in front of you, but it will never come near you.
Yeah, that means you're just witnessing the bad things that happen, but God protects you.